In today's video, I'll show you guys how to mod Forza Horizon 6. Check my video description for this mod download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extracted folder and double click on the exe and select the yes option. Make sure the game is running in the background and you will get this attached message. Then you're good to go. Go to features. To show you guys it's working, I'm gonna only edit the credits. Follow the same steps for others, both the wheel spins and skill points. Same steps you need to do for others as well. Credits, I already have lots of credits in my account, so I'm gonna make it less. Going to make it 1,000. Once you add the value, select this red icon to activate and select apply option, credits success. Once you get this message, minimize this, and to make this cheat work, you need to go to cars and change car, whatever car, just get in. Once you've done this, go back to cheat menu and select apply option, and now this should take effect. This way you can edit the wheel spins, scale points, and lots of other more stuffs. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.